Welcome to Brackets League, the first Web3 fantasy football platform built for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Let's get your Premier team set up in under a minute. Hit Create Team to get started. Type in your team name, make it iconic. This is your squad for the whole tournament. Select your payment token. We accept USDC or PayPal USD on Solana. Both are stable, fast, and cost just $10 to enter. Your wallet will pop up to confirm the transaction. Review and hit confirm. We'll verify the payment on chain automatically. Takes just a few seconds. Payment confirmed. Your Premier team is live. Hit View Team to start building your squad. Pick your 11 players, set your formation, and choose your captain. That's it, you're in. Follow the tournament, make transfers each round, and climb the leaderboard. May the best manager win. Thanks for watching.